Hello, today I will show you how to change vegetation settings in Myth of Empires. Begin by opening the settings. You'll be put right in the graphic options. I recommend you to take hold of the scroll bar and simply yank it down and go to the very bottom, because right here is our vegetation settings. You can customize foliage density and grass density. If you want to optimize your game performance and your in-game performance, as in the performance of the game and performance of you can simply crank those options down. But if you prefer a much nicer looking game, simply leave them as is or crank them up to the maximum. When you are happy with your choices, simply tap confirm to save the changes, and well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.